Amy. Thank you for coming to our show today. Hi, folks. We're talking to Amy about sustainability today. So, Amy, what is your current understanding of what sustainability means?
Sustainability to me is being able to continue on our current path with our resources without jeopardizing our future.
Wow, that's really interesting. I like that. You guys are in the community garden today as well. Is that correct?
Yes, and what a great example of social sustainability. Woo! The garden is creating a good example for our future generations, and it also contributes to the overall health and support of the Lindsay community. It is about working together for the betterment of the community. Also, they have a rule that you're allowed to take what you put into it. Basically, everyone who is working to grow the crops can take some from time to time as well.
Wow, yes! I even want to take part in that.
I noticed that there were 2 specific skills I used in the gardens that I would like to tell you about.
Sure thing.
The first skill was motivation. It was a hot day and my group and I were chosen for lifting up grass. It was hard work in the heat. So I decided to start up interesting conversation to motivate people to keep going and not give up. This is very good for future employment as well, because times will definitely get tough in the field, and it's important to be able to give yourself a boost to keep going. The second skill is stamina, both mentally and physically. I was getting tired at one point, so I focused on the goal and kept working hard. This is definitely important for future jobs, because when the day is dragging on and you're tired and want to stop, you need to be able to last longer than what you feel like you can do.
You're amazing, Amy. Wow.
Thanks, Fred.
We have one more question for you, Amy. Can you tell us one example of leadership you saw while you were working in the garden?
Yes, I can. One example of leadership I saw was at the beginning of the activity. The leader was calling out for 6 volunteers to come forward for the first job. And being in a new place with new people can be scary. But right away, 6 courageous volunteers stepped up to the plate. These people wanted to lead and show people who may be a little more shy that stepping up is not scary.
Well, Amy, thank you for coming in today and teaching us about sustainability and leadership. Folks, thanks for watching, and go be environmental activists.